I believe that the research practicum project overall was a positive experience for me, despite the setbacks that I faced with the pandemic and problems within my project. I feel as though that the research practicum project was stressful, yet necessary in order to grow as a researcher. I learned a few lessons about how to advocate for myself, research information, and how limitations can affect my project. Because of the pandemic, I was unable to participate in an internship. And even though I didn't have access to all the same resources I would have if I did have an internship, I was still able to complete my project and learn many new things about a topic that I was interested in, which is amazing. During the background research portion of my experiment, I found it more difficult to ask for advice from people in the field and to understand concepts in the experiments that I was reading. From learning how to navigate through that problem, I learned how to reach out when I needed help and how to really dive deep and get creative to come up with answers to the problems and questions that I posed. I was unable to find a mentor in hydroponics or phytoremediation, so I used my own intellect and advice from adults like Miss King Davis and Miss Crochron to shape my procedures and my method for going about my project. When I was unable to find a specific plant species, I had to improvise and adapt to continue to move forward with the experimentation process. I've given a few examples, but the main overall overarching theme is that yes, there were setbacks, yes, there were negatives, but throughout those experiences, you learn and you grow from them. The pros of the whole research practicum experience is that you have the freedom to study what you want and be innovative in your approach because it's your approach. Sure, I had a few setbacks, like I said, but I was able to learn and grow from them, which I'm truly thankful for. I have come out this process able to get projects done before deadlines and papers done before the deadline and write papers about research that I read, about research that I do, and able to understand terms and concepts in those papers and have intellectual conversations about them. These concepts and techniques I have learned will benefit me when I do research in the future as a part of my next profession or my next innovative solution. RP really is a unique opportunity that I am truly glad to be able to seize.